Do you want to send claims directly from your Nookal invoices to your Tyro terminal? In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Tyro with Nookal so your terminal and software can communicate seamlessly. The first thing you'll need to do is turn on the integration by going to Setup, Connections, Integrations. Once enabled, click on the Configuration button and then select Add Terminal. You'll be asked for your merchant ID and terminal ID, which will be provided to you by Tyro. Select the locations that the terminal will be used for and enable for HealthPoint if you will be making private health claims on the terminal. Before you select Add, get your terminal ready for pairing. And then once the terminal is ready, press Add. The terminal should now be paired with your Nookal account. Next, click on the Provider tab and add the clinician's modality from the list of options. By doing this step, when you raise an invoice and send it to the terminal, this will already be pre-selected for that provider, saving you valuable time. Finally, go into the Items area and enable any services that you will need for Tyro FPOS claiming. Once you have completed this and have taken any steps required on Tyro's side, you can start taking payment via your terminal.